Hi there, I'm Mario from Octane AI. Today we are going to show you how you can build beautiful results pages using smart properties. And we'll even do some vibe coding along the way, so stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, we have set up a very basic quiz here. For this quiz, we are only selling one product, so it's an energy boosting supplement product. So we really need to have a personalized results page. Now, this is the structure of the quiz. We are asking 3 basic questions and an email opt-in. So we are asking how many hours do they sleep each night, their energy levels, and their stress levels, and the email opt-in. So the way that the smart properties work is that they are a variable where you can give instructions to the AI on how it should populate it with text. So for instance, for the sleep smart property, if they answer that they sleep less than 5 hours, it'll generate a text snippet that just says terrible, and poor for 5 to 6, average, and excellent. And for energy, it'll just write out the energy level that the customer chose, and the same thing for stress. Now, you're not limited to just this. You can ask it to write like a paragraph or list out some elements. You can really give any instructions here and it'll generate the text according to your instructions. Okay, so now that we set up all 3 of our smart properties, let's go back to the build tab and see how they work in practice. So I'm going to add an HTML block here to my custom content block. So HTML, and it shows that I have 3 smart properties configured. So I can click here to see how they look. And this is how we add the smart properties in the HTML block. We include them between brackets like this. So let's drag it here above the products. And I'm just going to use the raw smart properties just to show you how they work. So let's add the double brackets here, and let's go with sleep, then energy, and stress. So we have our 3 smart properties set up. Let's now save the quiz and let's preview it. So previewing the quiz, let's go with the pinnacle of health here. So we sleep less than 5 hours. Our energy level is constantly low. And we are also very stressed out. So we are going to skip the email, and now let's see how this looks. Okay, so you can see that once our results loaded, we got the 3 smart properties here. So we have terrible sleep quality, our energy is constantly low, and we have high stress. So this just doesn't look as good right now, but I just wanted to show you how they will show up here. Now we are going to customize this HTML block. We are going to do so by vibe coding it with ChatGPT, and we'll get something beautiful out of this. Okay, so now let's vibe code something with these smart properties. So let me just copy them here. And now I'm going to use ChatGPT for this. You can use any of the other popular AI tools like Grok, Gemini. I'm just going to use the free version of ChatGPT because it's the most popular one. So let's do something like this. Give me HTML code for a quiz results sheet. I'm selling an energy boosting supplement. I had these 3 variables that you can add to the results sheet. Let's change this to a beautiful results sheet. And let's also, since our product here is orange, white, and red, let's use that color schema as well. Our brand colors are orange, red, and white, list these colors, and let's get the variables here. And we have these 3 variables, and let's also tell it what the variables can look like. So we can copy them from here. So our sleep variable, and since our sleep and stress variable will use this, so for the energy levels, let's get this. And for the stress level, let's copy this. So I'm not going to use any technical jargon or lingo here, just to make this as basic as possible. So energy variable and stress variable. And let's see what ChatGPT gives us. So it's creating the CSS and now the HTML code, and let's see how that looks. So let's copy this and let's paste it here. We can see that this looks much better now. So let's save it and let's test the quiz. So less than 5 hours of sleep, energy levels constantly low, and stress level low. Let's skip this. And there we have it. We have our wellness report, and you have the sleep quality here, the energy, and the stress. We have some things here that we want to change. We want to remove this button since we already have the product here. And we'll also add some conditionals here. I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so now that we have our smart properties set up, let's make some changes. So what we want to do is that we want to remove this Shop Now button, and we also wanted to write us a short paragraph based on each possible result. So if they have terrible sleep quality, for instance, they will be shown a paragraph about their sleep quality, and so on for all possible scenarios. So let's feed that into ChatGPT. So remove the Shop Now button, and for each possible result in the variable, write a short paragraph. For instance, if sleep is terrible, write a short paragraph about that. And also let's tell it to change colors. Also change colors based on the answer. So if the variable is bad, write it in red, average in yellow, good in green. Let's just clarifying this, that it needs to detect the text, because ChatGPT doesn't do anything with the backend. It doesn't know what a variable will be, so we need to cover everything there. So detect the text that will be shown. Detect text that will be shown. So let's try that. Let's see our new code here. It's already writing JavaScript code because our HTML blocks can run JavaScript code inside them. So let's copy this, let's paste it here, and let's see what we have. So let's save it, and let's preview the quiz. So less than 5 hours, let's go with average energy levels, and let's go with low stress levels. We want something that is bad, something that is average, and something that is good, just to see if it'll match the colors correctly. All right, so we can see that this worked perfectly. We are getting terrible sleep, so it explains about our poor sleep. We have average energy, and we have low stress. So we got red, orange, and green here. So everything here looks good. It's reactive depending on our answers. So we can see that this looks much better and it's much more personalized than just a static results page. Okay, so for this video, we wanted to give you an overview of our smart properties, what they are, and how you can use them in practice. As you saw, we didn't have to write a single line of code. We did everything with the help of AI, so there really is a lot that you can do on your own here. And we hope that this video was helpful. If you need assistance with anything, you can always message our customer support team, and we'll be more than happy to help you.